So Newton's Cradle is a fun gadget that probably most of us have been playing since we were kids. In nature, there's something called impedance matching. In the classical Newton's Cradle, the initial ball actually transfers most of its momentum and energy to the second and so forth, so the last one just rises up. Or when you play billiards, for example, when you shoot the ball, the initial ball actually comes to a full stop after it transfers all of its momentum after the collision, because the two masses are the same. After I was inspired by some of the TV commercials.
Well, if you start putting that money towards your retirement every week and let it grow over time for 20, 30 years, that retirement challenge might not seem so big after all.
I thought like there could be more that could be done with the Newton's Cradle. If you have a massive ball and a lighter ball, and if you want to maximize the transfer of momentum and energy, then if you just like let them collide each other, you're not going to achieve this goal. But if you use intermediate, gradually increasing masses, then you can maximize that transmission. So that's basically the simple idea behind that invention. So these are different masses and different elasticities. So the masses are actually increasing like gradually. So I should have better transfer momentum. So right now it's very beginning, but then we might actually discover new types of experiments and new types of explanations of these concepts. So it's not this ground.
It's not the, okay.
I support that students should be visual learners. Like the pandemic actually has shown, when you are in the lab, there are so many other sensory inputs that the students can learn. Like they hear, sometimes I tell them like, oh, check the circuitry. If it warms up, that means something is wrong. And in general, I also like working with students, like doing research with them. Not only students learn, I learn new things too. I mean, and that's probably the excitement of being a teacher, because learning never stops. I mean, even when you're teaching a class, you can always have like aha moments and then see a solution of a problem from a different perspective, and to continue supporting them as visual learners.